Hello and welcome to Megawhat, where each week we give you the lowdown on the latest piece of kit from the world of technology and gadgets. Well, this week we've come along to Dyson's London shed to find out about how design works and how they're working with students and universities across the country to basically make better products. Now, there's a competition. JamesDysonAward.org is the website. The student that's got the best design wins £10,000. The university that's helped him wins £10,000, and every year they're going to vote this out and create a James Dyson lookalike, I suppose, of inventors. Anyway, we're going to see if we can do what they're planning to do across the year in, well, about a couple of hours. Stay tuned. So here's the brief we've been given. Design, sketch a model, a useful product that is air-powered, either blowing or sucking. You can use cardboard, glue, bits of Dyson and tape. Should have nothing to do with cleaning. Good luck. Okay, so we've been given a bag, which we've been told has a theme in it. Open it up. So we've got some paper, probably for brainstorming. Should be a theme in here somewhere. Here we go, we've got some steel rulers, good old steel rulers, some knives, some masking tape, and there we go, the elderly. So it looks like we're going to make something simple, so let's get brainstorming. So we've racked our brains, we've been brainstorming. Virginia is part of our team. Ben, the cameraman, is part of our team. Virginia's from the Royal College of Arts. She's here to help us. She's really the brains of the operation. But anyway, let me show you what we've done so far. So we've got the elderly, as we've said. So we've come up with a number of problems. So we felt that health, there's hot flushes, there's incontinence. Yeah, I know we don't really like to talk about that. We've got remembering. They can't remember. I can't remember what I'm doing next. We've got walking, they've got going places, but we found that two things that we picked out was lifting stuff. Okay, so we've got either moving heavy objects, which we thought maybe someone's bottom, or we've got lifting stuff. So taking that problem, we concentrate on that, we then come to this, look at this. That people is genius in work. So, I don't really understand any of it. Well, I think what we do is, the idea is, the cunning plan that we've come up with so far is we get a cone, get a tube to pick stuff up, because old people can't just do that like I've just done. Now, Virginia came up with this cunning cone idea. What's the cone thing?
Well, generally speaking, it's so that you can pick up a variety of sizes of objects, because we're going to use suction. So there'll be suction coming through this tube.
Right.
And at the other end, there'll be this receiving end which picks up the thing. And if it's a cone, then it can pick up a variety of sizes of things.
Now, within...
It's like an elephant's trunk.
I was going to say, within our cunning plan, we've got an elephant's trunk, but we've also got, remember those things that you have as a toy, where it's like a standing up dog or a donkey or a Pinocchio or something, and you press the button and then they all go like this, fall over. Well, a combination of that, the elephant's trunk, a bit of conage, and hopefully some other cool bits of Dyson that we're going to raid, because that just seems like the thing to do. We are going to come up with our device. Where's they got any turbine things here? So you just need the top. So this would... Virginia suggested, well, it's going to get dirty on this, isn't it?
Yeah, the filter, and it's not really necessary in this situation because we're not...
Because we don't want to pick the dirt up, we just want to suck
We
stuff.
want to maximize the suction. Can we use this to represent? Oh, I'm really sorry.
Look, this is it. That's our crazy idea. So basically it's like a cane with a cone on the bottom that goes to something really small, and then you just chuck it in a cupboard and forget about it. And then when you you want to pick something up, what you do, right, is you bend down into the cupboard. So you bend down into the cupboard, then you get this thing out, and then you suck it up, and then you go, and then that saves you bending over. I think that's a brilliant idea. So here we are. This is going to be the must-have gadget for all old people that you know. It's called the elephant. Get excited. We're going to be cutting some rubber. Virginia's on card. She's already there making some telescopic cylinders. Stay tuned. That's all I can say to people. Stay tuned. So here we are, here is the elephant. It picks up pocket lint. Haha, get what we're doing. So it has telescopic handle, it's got the membrane for picking up all the little bits and bobs. Let's go and see what the judges think. Okay, you can imagine the situation. You're old, you can't bend over to pick anything up. It's a major problem that's affecting everybody everywhere. So we've come up with the elephant, which is a cane that has a sucking cone on the end. Basically, there's a battery, it sucks, the telescopic thing comes out. Very similar to this sort of idea, but obviously a thinner, smaller device. At the end of the cone, which obviously is capable of picking up anything from socks to pants to pens to bottle tops to anything you want, there is a membrane which, as the sucking works, allows it to actually suck around the device, around the thing you're trying to pick up itself, and it sucks it into the cone. The idea is you then press a button at the end, it sucks back in, and all you have to do is then pick it out and go, oh, I have that pair of socks. And that's the elephant. Thanks. We saw, unfortunately, we didn't conquer it. Turns out our elephant design is just too cutting edge. They just can't cope with it. I know, it's terrible, isn't it? Well, actually, there was a better design. It was an inflatable bike saddle, which looked pretty cool, to be honest. But we've been told that we did come second, which is good news for us. Woo, cheers. Anyway, what it has taught us is that designing is great fun, and it certainly brings us back to our days of designing at school and CDT, all that sort of stuff. Mr. Cherry, if you're watching, thanks. Mrs. Todd, thank you as well. Anyway, that's it. It's probably the last you'll see of the elephant. That's it for this week. Hope you've enjoyed the show. Why don't you tune in next time for more news, reviews, tips, tricks, opinions, and much more. I'm Stuart Miles. This is Megawhat TV. Thanks for watching.